AI agents can't pay for AP, is the way we do. No cards, no logins, no accounts. AgentGate fixes that on Casper. Any HTTP API becomes agent payable in one command with its price list stored on-chain and every payment leaving a permanent receipt. Everything I'm about to show is already on Casper Testnet, Registry V2. Here's a service registered with an on-chain accepts list, native CSPR and wrapped CSPR, a real native payment with its attestation, and a WCSPR settlement through the official X402 facilitator, gas-sponsored, also attested on-chain. Reputation here isn't a claim. It's a receipt of value that actually moved. A seller wraps any HTTP API with one command. It registers the service on-chain, price list included, and maps the private upstream on the gateway with an owner-signed challenge. No shared admin token, and the real upstream URL never touches the chain. And the buyer side is the mirror image, one command. It reads the live registry, gets a machine-readable 402 invoice derived from the on-chain price list, pays with a native CSPR transfer that carries the invoice nonce, and gets the data back. That payment is on-chain right now. Here's the hash. Prices aren't just native CSPR. This service lists two rails on-chain, and the gateway derives the 402 straight from the contract. The agent pays a tenth of a WCSPR, signed EIP 712, settled by the official Casper X402 facilitator with sponsored gas. CEP 18 has no transfer floor, so this is how you get true sub-CSPR micropayments. Now watch an autonomous agent do the whole thing. It's a real LLM tool use loop powered by Claude. It discovers services from the on-chain catalog, reasons about which one fits the task, checks its own budget cap before spending, pays real CSPR, writes the report, and logs every decision. No human in the loop. The agent is spending on-chain money and getting an on-chain receipt for it. And it isn't tied to my agent. One line in an MCP client, Claude Code, or any MCP-capable framework, and AgentGate becomes native tools. Discover services, read the invoice, and pay. The agent buys on-chain data itself. The payment rail is just a tool the agent already knows how to use. Each successful paid call, the gateway attests on-chain, and that feeds the service's trust score. So a buyer agent picks who to trust from a verifiable history of real payments, not from marketing. And a seller can't pad it. Paying yourself is served but never scored. You don't have to take my word for it. The CLI is on NPM, the gateway is live, and the contract is verifiable on the Explorer. Sell in one command, buy in one command. In CSPR or WCSPR, every reputation point backed by a real on-chain payment. That's AgentGate on Casper.